This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Chock the front wheels. Using the locking wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the workshop jack under the rear subframe control arm's inner mounting point. Use a block of rubber or wood with a 25mm diameter hole counterbored in the top surface between the jack head and mounting point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. If no rubber or wooden block is available, a thick piece of cardboard will suffice. Position axle stands under the sill jacking points, then lower the vehicle onto the stand. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheels. Undo the 4 plastic nuts and pull the wheel arch liner away slightly to access the shock upper mounting bolts. Using a trolley jack, slightly raise the trailing arm to compress the coil spring. Slacken and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Note that a new bolt will be required during reassembly. Unscrew the upper mounting bolts and remove the shock absorber. Again, new bolts will be required. If required, prise away the plastic cap, undo the nut, and remove the upper mounting from the shock absorber, followed by the washer, bump stop and protective sleeve. A new nut will be required. If necessary, unclip the lower plastic cover. Refit the bump stop and protective sleeve, followed by the washer and upper mounting. Note that the washer is fitted with the beveled inner edge facing downwards. Fit the new piston nut and tighten it to the specified torque. Note that the gasket need not be refitted to the upper mounting. It was used purely for initial production. Refit the plastic cap to the upper mounting. Clip the plastic cover to the base of the shock. Maneuver the shock absorber into position, then insert and lightly tighten the new upper retaining bolts. Tighten the upper mounting bolts to the specified torque. Align the shock absorber with the hub carrier, insert the new bolt, and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the jack from under the trailing arm. Refit the wheel arch liner and secure it with the plastic nuts. Locate the wheel over the hub. Insert and lightly tighten the bolts. Raise the vehicle, remove the axle stand and lower it to the floor. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the front wheel chocks.